Most welcome, my friend, in my channel. We are back with our microbiology sections. Just we started few days before. Now we are coming to understand first bacteria. Now we just general view of bacteria. What are the cells, how they forms, how type of division of cells is going on, and their basic history. Now the next is the virus. What are the means of viruses? Why they are calling is the virus? How can you differentiate from virus to bacteria, other microorganisms? Virus is a viral particle, just like virus is a consist of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. They are not this conjugate, are just like in the bacteria, eukaryotic organisms, any other organisms. They are the both type of things, but in viruses, generally they are non-living. When they come in contact with any living things, then it become active. Enclosed by the proteinaceous coats a capsid. Generally some not 100% of viruses are covered by this, but some are not covered. They are called prions, other things, viroids also. So we need to understand later these sections. First we are going to understand general view. Viruses, like many of the attribute of cells, is like in the Golgi complex, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulums, other things what generally in the normal type of cells these are present, including ability of to replicate. They are not able to replicate only when it infect the cell. Just like I told you, when the virus come in contact with any living things, then virus acquire the k attribute of living things, just like reproductions and their property. Only the things in the viruses have their replicate, that means the reproduction, they generate the more number of their viral particles. There are no any energy production mechanism, just like in the most of the living cells are doing, but in the virus this system is totally not. Few enzymes are present in the few viruses, not in the all enzymes. No any enzymes present. Most of the 98% of viruses no any enzymes present. Only few enzymes are present in the very rare viruses. I will tell you later section in which viruses these enzymes are present. Viruses are known to infect all cells. They infect anyone's living things. This only the living things, including the bacteria. They also cause the disease. They disturb. They kill the bacteria by the process known as the lytic process. That is the called as the bacteria in which the virus infect. The bacteriophage is called that viruses. Host viruses interact with the highly specific, very specific. Some are the very specific viruses that can directly kill, may not kill, just touch, just make a combination with viruses and live for a long time. So now we come the history of the viruses. The first viruses in the universe, there is viruses from the historical, when the earth was formed, the living thing was started, the viruses was the, but the in the study process, when the viruses was discovered by scientist Ivanovsky, a Russian chemist, 1892, they discovered a virus, a filterable particles. This non-filter bacteria, the filter the living things is called as the viruses, tobacco mosaic viruses. Bizarnik, the scientists, they confirmed yes, there is some living things that can be filtered from that filter papers. They too small, they can filter from theirs. These are the called as the viruses, and this is tobacco mosaic viruses was the first discovered. Walter Reed, the USA scientist, they also discovered yellow fever viruses. First human virus, it was the first human virus which was discovered by the Walter Reed. So you need to understand how slowly, how take the time to understand things, living things that cause the disease in human, plants, even in the microbes, very dangerous. And I don't think there is any their helpful beneficial effect of the viruses in the human society. They are only causing the disease and killing, because the main agenda of the viruses to produce reproduce, maybe they increase their living things, these maybe virus particles. Viruses are not cell. This is the one thing, so you understand, cell have the energy producing mechanism, viruses have not these things. Viruses are replicate only when they come in the living things. I already told you, consist of either DNA or RNA, not with together core. This is the one thing that cover this. Core is surrounded by the protein core. This is the protein, or this protein is for generally used these viruses from the host cells. This is most of the things from this host cells. Coat maybe includes the lipid envelope. Some viruses have also over the coat there is a lipid molecule. These lipid molecules are generally from the endoplasmic reticulums of the host cells or the Golgi complex. There may be other part of the things, but all these things are the from the host molecules. This is not for the they make them. They have not capability to make these things. This is one of the most important things. What are the viruses? Actual things you can understand viruses. I already told you viruses depend upon the host cells. Necessary all the replication functions, they only depend on their host system. They are not the things that can replicate itself. There are no any mechanism present. Intracellular pressure, this is why I call it the intracellular. They always infect the cells inside them. They control the mechanisms of the all that cells and start making like what they really want. They contain both DNA RNA not together or separate. This enzyme, human immunodeficiency enzyme, there is a type of the enzymes. I will tell you later whose type of enzymes. Just like in the influenza viruses, have enzymes. This is called is the hepatitis enzymes. This is also the enzymes. We will later discuss about those enzymes which are present in the viruses and what the role of these viruses enzymes in the future lives. So we need to properly understand why these viruses are dangerous in the later sections. And those viruses who are no any DNA, no any RNA, but they are infecting particles. This is called the proteinaceous particle prions, a kind of infectious protein that can resist the digestion of proteinase enzyme. They cannot be digested by the proteinase enzyme. Generally, the proteins that can be digested by the any proteinaceous enzymes, but these type of things cannot. They only cause the disease. Cellular forms of prions, proteins PRPC encoded the host chromosomal DNA. This is the one things. The host DNA can form this type of protein by the infection of this protein. So this is a very interesting thing. If you really want to do research on these things, you need to think very bright. What is the future of these things? This is very good things for the research sections. Abnormal isoform of proteins is also known the component of prions associated with the transmissibility. These type of diseases, this protein particle is caused Carew. This is generally caused in the cows. This is called as the Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CGL, and other diseases are these type: fetal familial pneumonia and bovine spongiform encephalopathy. These are all generally in the animals are causing, but we know that any times the animal disease can be transmitted to the humans and cause the human to human transmission, just like the coronavirus is going on nowadays. So we need to focus what the really matter for the life of viruses and importance of viruses in our future lives. Next is the viroid. What is the means of viroid? Why it is called the viroid? This is a big name, big features of this. Viroid is the small single-celled, single-stranded, covalently closed circular RNA molecules. This is RNA, only the RNA molecules, this type of structures finally is called the viroid. Infection pod, rod-like structure that do not pass the capsule. There is no any coverings, only their genomic structure present, RNA genomic structure. In this type of structure, this is called. Ranges of there is the 246, 3675 nucleotide bases. This is their genomic structure lengths. RNA molecule contain no proteins. This is because I told you only the genomic structures. RNA of viroid has shown the contains inverted props of this type of structure. This type of things are present in the viruses, which are really responsible for the causing the diseases. Just like most of the viruses also infect the bacteria. Bacterial infection viruses are most are the RNA viruses. DNA are also there, but they are easily they can go and destroy the bacterial cells by the process called the lytic process. Lytic process, and another is the lysogenic process. Two processes we will discuss later in the sections when we will go for the deep study of the viruses. Here we are only discussing small and Light mode, a microbiology historical background, what is the structure of bacteria, what is the structure of the microbes just like fungus, viruses and protozoans. So we are just starting all these things. In later section we will go in the deep things. Thank you so much for watching and giving time to me. Hope you like and enjoy. Please subscribe my channel and share with your other friends if they really like. Please join me. We will go more and more in the upcoming days. Thank you so much for again.